make a 3D star today, but I think you can do it. It's my second tutorial, but I think it goes good with the stars. I mean, there are a lot of things you can do with stars, but might as well start off with a 3D star because it's kind of easier, and I know you guys are eager to get going on your 3D stuff. So in the middle of this 3D star is a single black star, like we made in the past video. So we're going to start off with a black star. So you're going to string through the top black bead, the black bead that's sticking out, one of them, like we've been doing. And you're going to put on 5 beads of the same color. So I'm putting on green. I'm going to do a rainbow, but I'm just putting on green because it's the first color I picked up. So we're going to string on 5 beads, then we're going to string through the next black bead that's sticking up, and then we're going to put on 5 more beads. I'm putting on blue now. And then we're going to string through the top of the next bead that's sticking up. Now I'm going to do, am I going to do purple? No. I'm going to go with pink. So we're going to put on 5 more beads. I'm using pink, 5 more pink beads. 5 more pink beads. And then we're going to string through the top that's sticking out again, the top bead. Then we're going to put on 5 orange beads. If you have to, put on the beads one by one, because I know I put on more at a time. I don't want to confuse you guys. Okay, and when you get to this part where you have the string sticking up out of the black one and then the string coming out of the 5 yellow beads, you're going to hold the 2 strings with one finger and pull tightly like this to make sure it's not all loose. And then you're going to get the 2 strings and tie them tightly, not too tightly to where it's going to break, but tight enough. Okay, so it's tied. Then we're going to cut the strings off, of course, because I don't keep my strings attached. And then we're going to make 2 little stars. So remember what we did in the first tutorial. We're going to put on 5 black beads, like so, and then we're going to tie that. Remember to leave some space because you're going to weave beads in between the black beads. But okay, so we're going to do what we did in the last video. I don't need to show you guys again, right? If you need to see the last video, alright? What we're going to do though is when you go through the black beads, you're going to put the colored beads on. So we're going to do like my rainbow here. We're going to put on a pink bead, then an orange, then a yellow, then a green, then a blue in rainbow order. So we're going to string through a black bead, put on a pink bead, string through the next black bead, put on an orange bead, string through the next black bead, put on a yellow bead, string through the next black bead, green bead, finally your blue bead. That was loud. Hope my music's not too loud. I hope you can hear me. Okay, and then when you get to the end, you're going to tie it off again. So yeah, you're going to make 2 of these, alright? Get working. Okay, so we got 2 of these little ones and 1 big star. Now what we're going to do is attach them all so that way it sticks up. It's 3D, basically. So you're going to line up the colors, pink with pink, orange with orange, yellow with yellow, blue with blue, like so. Okay. So you're going to string through the black bead that's between the pink and blue, the one that's sticking out the most, the one we first started weaving through. You're going to put a string through there. Okay. Then you're going to put on 2 pink beads. 2 pink beads, okay? And then you're going to string through the pink bead that sticks out on this little one. Okay, so you see what I'm doing? Pink bead. And then you're going to put on 2 more pink beads after you string through the top pink one. And then you're going to string through the next black one that's the farthest out, the one between the pink and the orange, okay? And you're going to pull tight. You might need to actually, pull this string out a little more. You have to do that with 3D sometimes because it'll get stuck when you weave it. So that's what it looks like right now, and we're going to keep going. So right now our string is standing out through the black bead that's between the pink and the orange. And we're going to put on 2 orange beads. And then we're going to string through the orange bead that's on the little star. Always remember to put it in the right side. Make sure you're putting it in on this side and not on this side. Okay guys, it really does matter. Okay, then we're going to put on 2 more orange beads. And then you're going to put it through the black bead that's to stick in between the orange and yellow bead. Okay? That's what it's looking like. It should look like that. Remember to pull tightly. Not too tightly, but tight enough so it's looking like that. It's starting to look a little 3D-ish there. Okay, guys? I want you to keep doing that. Repeat the last 2 steps and finish off your 3D star. Okay, so you put your last 2 beads on, which should have been the blue beads. And then you have the 2 ends. You're going to tie it off like you have. Make sure it's kind of tight. No, not too tight. Tie it off. Okay, so now you have half of your 3D star. The other side looks like that. Honestly, I think it looks pretty cool like this. I would just hang it like that. But let's do the other side just so it matches with this 3D one. And so you guys have the opportunity. We're going to do the exact same thing as we did last time. We're going to match it up and repeat the last steps all over again. So string through the bead that's between the blue and pink one. It might get a little hard, guys. Okay, then you're going to string through 2 pink beads on. String on through the top pink bead from the little pink one that's sticking out. String on 2 more pink beads, and you're just going to keep doing what we did in the last exercise. Remember to string through the black bead that's sticking out the most in the corners. If you don't weave it in the right place, it's going to look weird. And if you don't have your little star facing the right way, the colors are going to be off. And you have to restart, and that's going to suck. Hate restarting. Okay, so I'm getting to the end of this. Putting on my last 2 blue beads. I'm gonna hold both of the strings with 2 fingers, hold tightly like I said. Oops. It fell off because that string is short. Because I like to not waste string, so I would make that side string short. Make sure it's short. Then we're gonna tie it. Okay, and then you're gonna fix your points again because they probably got messed up. And there you go. You have yourself a little 3D star. So now you guys know how to make a regular star, a mini star, and a 3D star. And I'm probably gonna make another tutorial right after this because I don't know when my next day off is gonna be.